Welcome back, chemistry fans. Today, we are going to do a gas law laboratory. We're going to actually do Boyle's, which has nothing to do with temperature. So let's jump into it. Let me show you my surface working area here. Canceled. Let me share with you a different camera so that you can see my surface working. Okay, so if you are looking down upon this, and now it looks normal to everyone here. So you can see that this device called a gas pressure sensor, it is actually hooked up wirelessly, Bluetooth, to the Lab Quest, and it is reading atmospheric temperature through this little nozzle here. So if I were to hook up to it this syringe here, well, the gas would be trapped, and there wouldn't be a whole lot of gas trapped in here. So what instead I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my syringe all the way out here to 60, and I'm going to measure 60 is the volume inside of here. Now I am going to seal this up, and we can read what the volume is at this point, and we can read what the pressure is. So at 60, I have a pressure of 99.3 kilopascals. So I'm going to move this in just a little bit to 55. Right now, the pressure is not such that it's actually causing it to push back out. All right, so 98.8, it went down just a little bit. And if I then push in, well, now you'll start to see things are changing. So I'm going to disregard that first one. That doesn't seem to be correct. So now I'm at 50 and I'm at 104.4. All right, I'm going to go into 45 and I'm going to have to start holding this steady because it's not going to allow me to play around much here. It's going to try and force back on me. So I've got now at 40, I've got 125.4. And I'm going to keep going. I'm going to go down to 35, and I'm at 143. Wait, oh no, it went back. Sorry. So it is fighting me. 142 point something. Hold on. It keeps going back. 141.6, 141.6. And I'm going to go down to 30 now. Let's see. 30 is at 166.1. And then I'm going to go down to 25, and let's see if I can hold it in here at 25. I can still, so it's at 196.4, 196.4. And then I'm just going to get it down to 20 because at this point, it seems like it's fighting me too much. It doesn't want to contract very much more. And it actually, well, yeah, at 20, it appears it's at 240. Woo! Going up, 240, bunch. All right, so I've got enough data points there. I think I'm going to be okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change my camera back, and I am going to now share my screen so that I can jump onto a Google Sheet, and we're going to plot this data together. So here is my Google Sheet. I am going to create a brand new one, a blank one, and I've got two things that I am measuring. I am going to be measuring the volume of syringe, and I'm going to be measuring the pressure of air. Okay, so my volume went and started at 55, then it went to 50, and it just keeps going down, 45 to 40 to 35 to 30 to 25 to 20. Okay, and then my air pressure at these was 98.8, 104.4, 111.2, 125.4, 142.6, 166.1, 196, 0.4, and then finally 240.0. Okay, oops. All right, so those are my values. So what I'll take these, then I'm going to highlight, drag, and I'm going to come over and I'm going to create my graph. And there it goes. And it's a pretty close to what we desired graph. We're going to see that they are inversely related, that it goes down and then it starts to taper off and it stops becoming straight down. So if I were to then take this and I were to actually change the maximum and minimum value. So the maximum I needed was 250. The minimum actually is, let's go down to 98. Let's go to 95. And the maximum, let's put it at the 245. And what you're going to see now, the graph looks much more like it's supposed to. And this is what I'm hoping that you would create whenever you have your data, is this nice, beautiful graph of pressure versus volume. They are inversely related, but they don't go linear. They have a little bit of a curvature to them. Okay, everything that I wish to share with you has just been displayed, and I showed you how to make the graphs. Thank you very much. We will talk with you again soon. Take care. Bye.